Hello, my name is Spivey J, and if you're interested in transforming your life, mastering your mind, and getting more fulfillment out of this life, please be sure to subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. Last year, I lost 50 pounds. I started off walking, I added more habits, and I continue to add all of the habits that I knew or felt from what I learned would help me to make such a huge transition in my life. I was 100% committed to my goals. Had I avoided a very honest conversation with myself right before the new year, I would have never gotten started. This conversation has come up again with myself. I have other goals, not just fitness goals, other goals. And I haven't fully committed to them until I had an honest conversation with myself. If you've been avoiding having an honest conversation with yourself, then you have been stalling your own progress. Look at the numbers. Check the data. Losing 50 pounds was no easy feat. I didn't have a trainer, I didn't have a nutritionist, and I was just going off of what I saw online. They said it worked, and then I made it work for me. I became a high agency woman because I knew I wanted to be fit, fine, and fabulous. That was just for me. Everyone has different reasons. I've never worn a bikini in my adult life. That's a goal of mine. Could I? Can I? Yeah, of course. They sell them in all sizes. But I just haven't. That comes from religious purity culture. We're not going to talk about that though, okay? So I had my goal, and I made progress, so much progress towards my goal that I'm in a state now where it's like automatically doing the things to keep progressing in my goal. But if I sit around and ignore what I need, what I desire, and what I require by keeping my mouth shut and not sharing that with myself during my internal reflection, then I would have not accomplished that and going forward all of my other goals that I can't wait to share some of them with y'all. Okay? So today's video is a super simple concept, and I know you heard this before. Closed mouths do not get fed. No one can read your mind, especially if you aren't honest, especially with yourself. So you have a goal. Take a step to directly impact that goal. That's the message. Take a step to directly impact your goal. Period. You don't have to be ready. You start. That's what makes you ready. I didn't know what the heck I was doing, but I did it, learned, adjusted, improved. Did it, learned, adjusted, improved. And I just kept spamming 10,000 steps last year. All the way up to now. Spam them, going. It was working. Added a vest, all type of stuff. Exercising, using YouTube videos, alternate day fasting, drinking water. Finally, I was so dehydrated. You probably just dehydrated. That's why I always tell my kids, you can be anything in this world except ashy and dehydrated. Have you ever tried to have a conversation with a dehydrated person? It's not going to be healthy. It's not going to be productive. Dehydration. Hydrate yourself. And I say that jokingly, but I'm serious. So that's it. Closed mouths don't get fed. If you have a goal, take a step towards it. Period. Stop waiting till you're ready. You don't need to be ready. And of course, as I like to teach and give you like a visual, think about a baby. They had to crawl, but before they could crawl, they had to be able to push up. They had to learn how to roll over, hold that big noggin up. Everything takes steps. Do you think the baby was ready to crawl when they first were born? Absolutely not. Definitely not walking. So always think of it as baby steps. Think about what you want to do in baby steps. You start one thing and you add another and you add another. And next thing you know, you're running a marathon. Not too fast, not too much. I don't do running. But yeah, today's video is just your daily reminder to get up and take a step. Take a step. Take a step. You may think I've said this before, and I have. And I'm going to keep saying it until you do it. What steps are you taking to reach your goals? I took 10,000 a day plus every single day. And I added more actual steps and more other factors, aka steps, to the plan to lose 50 pounds. I got off track at the beginning of the year, but I had a serious conversation with myself. Not only am I back on track with my weight loss journey, I have added fuel to the fire that cannot, like, life happens. It comes at us fast. Every day is not going to be the same. But I made a decision that, you know what? Not only am I going to use the knowledge that I gained, I'm not going to let the work that I did go to waste. I'm not going to let me not knowing the next step be the reason that I don't start or the reason that I don't continue to the next level. So, what excuses have you been giving yourself, and when are you going to put them down? I highly suggest it be right now. I highly suggest you put them down right now. Not tomorrow, right now. Okay? That's it. I wanted to keep it short. I just wanted to get on here and just share with you where I was, where I am, and where I'm going. Okay? All right. Obviously, it's getting dark. So if you're interested in building a rich life on purpose, I'm talking about mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially, be sure to click the link in the description. I created the Start Before You're Ready 7-day challenge. It's completely free. You're going to choose one thing in one area of your life that you're going to commit to for 7 days. This is for my procrastinators, my overthinkers. This is for my fearful. This is for my fear-led. And this is for the people that don't know where to start. The starting is what gets you ready. All right, and I know you got 7 days in you. Let's check some stuff off our lists. Let's get some goals checked out. You deserve it, because I know you want to build a rich life on purpose, and I know you want to get more fulfillment out of this life. All right, so thank you so much for watching today's video. My name is Spivey J, and I really do hope you have a beautiful day. All right, peace.
You're beautiful. I hope you know that. I hope you know that.
All the airplanes want to leave at the same time.